Tip 5, project management information. In addition to building integrations, setting up CRM systems, and training, project management is at the top of my list for business tools. Although I'm often hired for a project, it never stays that way, morphing to multiple subprojects, vendors, countries, teams, solutions. Note, your projects will do the same and gain the interest of senior management and other departments and peers. One tip to handle growing project information is to automate the flow of how you deliver, receive, and retain information. Not a sponsor, but one of my favorite tools is Microsoft Azure DevOps, used with SharePoint. Together, they allowed me to create a global dashboard and integrate my information sources for same-day transparency. A bonus tip is to take a look at the Agile method for project management. It will save you a lot of time and money.